Hello guys, you use my phone Tecno Camon 16, this version 128 internal memory and 6GB RAM memory. Open box, look complementation. In complementation we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, micro USB cable and headphones. Okay. Device made of plastic, on the back side quad camera LED and fingerprint scanner, on the front side 6.8 display, HD resolution IPS display, on this side power key and volume case, downside micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Okay. Open settings, about phone, we have version Android 10 and version iOS 7.0.0. Open Geekbench 5, talk about system information, GPU Mali G52, GPU CPU MT6769, 6 plus 2 cores, 1.7 and 2 GHz CPU speed. Look results, CPU test results and GPU test results. Okay. Look onto the benchmark results. Device support 5 touches and good results in Antutu benchmark. Close this, open Guitar San Andreas, look how Guitar San Andreas work on the max graphic level. Works very good, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this and now show you photos on the main camera. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.